Alright guys, well, like I promised you guys, I just got back from work. 28 days I was out. I just got back. I haven't cleaned the machine, obviously. You can see it's pretty dirty. But my exhaust is here, so I'm just gonna put a video on installing the exhaust, the Evolution Powersports. I got the full exhaust along with the cat delete, cat back, or whatever they call it. You know, it eliminates the catalytic converter that it's in there. So yeah, I'll go get the box and I'll show it to you, and we'll do an install. Alright, there it is. Here's the exhaust. This is the one that I got. I wanted to get the one with the flapper on it, but I went direct. I could probably change it later on. It's pretty nice. Comes with the little instructions here. It's like sealed. It's like watertight. Nothing will get wet. I don't know if you guys can focus in there. There you go. But yeah, there it is. It's a pretty nice tip there. So there's the other one that I got to install there. So I'm just gonna have to remove that guy, and I'll get to it. So I'm just gonna have to take it off of the cover over here. See if I can get that in the together. There's this cover right there, and then I could get to that clamp in there, and then you got to reuse the OEM stuff on there, so it works pretty good. So you got to take the clamp off of there, remove that off, unbolt it, bolt on the new one, and make some noise. I was gonna clean the machine before, but I figure I'll just you know, get around there and then go for a ride, see if I get it dirty again, and then we'll see how that goes. But I'll do another drive video. I'll try to take this camera. I just bought this camera, guys, like I said I would. I bought a Canon. It's the EOS Rebel, sorry, T7i. It's a new one. So I told you, promised you guys that I was gonna get a new camera and to make better videos and stuff like that. So now I gotta learn the other part, which is doing video editing and stuff like that. So bear with me. Like I said, I'll get there. So I'll put a video. I gotta get the camera up a little higher. There you go. So I'll make the video as I put it together, and then you know, we'll learn together and see how it goes. Give me a thumbs up, man. Alright guys, took me a little bit, but this is a pain in the butt, but I got her. Here, let me get the camera down there so you can see what I'm talking about. Inside of here, this exhaust piece, the bolts that go inside of there, they weren't too bad. Oh, let me get over here. The bolt that holds this flange on right here, these came out nice and easy. The flange was just stuck on there, and it didn't want to come off, so I had to kind of like pry it a little bit, kind of like break it free. I grabbed it with these little handy dandy little hammers here, ball hammers, and I was just tapping on it nice and easy, you know what I mean? Just kept rocking it. Went in the other side with a crowbar and put it underneath and kept rocking it until she popped free. This is the only problem that I had, you know, I had problems with right there, is getting that guy out. Broken free from here. It was like welded on there, you know, with all that mud and shit that I used to do, and heating it and all that good stuff, and then it just kind of like seized in there. But I was able to get it off, and yeah, so now let me remove it and then show you the install. Alright, this is a pain in the butt. Got a little couple battle wounds already trying to get this on, but I did some research and I found that a lot of people I've seen some people use some kind of like string, and you put it on one end and you pull on it till she snaps on. So I'm gonna leave the video recording, and I'm gonna try it. My wife's not here. If not, she could help record some of this. So let's see how bad this could be. Oops. Sorry guys. I'll edit all that. See if I can get some. I'm gonna try it the normal way first so you can see how bad this is. This could be really bad. It's a pain in the butt. Let's try that with this. Pair of pliers first. That one went on pretty good. I guess you use a little needle nose pliers with a little bend on it right here, the 90. It'll allow you to pinch it, and while it's being bent, you can pull on it with more force on it without it slipping out of your teeth. So if you got one of these, it'll help out a lot. Alright guys, so from what I know, a wire, so you could use a heavy thick speaker wire or something like that, and this is what help you pull it through. Let's be a guinea pig. Let's try it out. Here we go. That didn't work. And I got cut pretty good right there. It's awesome. Apparently you need a real thick one. Real thick speaker wire is what I read, but we'll keep finding out and getting cuts and bruises. Alrighty then guys. I got all dinged up off of this exhaust. She gave me a little troubles, but I guess don't use a thin wire. Don't make that mistake I did. I saw a video. A guy said he used a thick gauge speaker wire, so I did not use the right stuff. You know, obviously, you know, I use a real thin. See if this will focus. There you go. I use a real thin cable. I mean, it's not thin, but obviously it wasn't thick enough. Pick this camera up there. It wasn't thick enough, so I saw that. I'll put it on the video. As I was pulling, it popped off, and then my arm caught this edge right here, and it just peeled my skin like a little skin potato. But yeah, so I got this method. Obviously with this one works as well. This is one way I've always done it, but since I got injured already, I'm afraid to do this and get injured some more. But I'll still do it just in case. Let's get the video done. Let me make sure. I got rope. Let's try that. Yeah. Let's try some handy dandy rope. Maybe this will work. We'll see. There's just no room to get in there. You know what I mean? With this exhaust there, it's right behind it, so it's kind of tight. But we'll see. I guess that's why we make these videos, so you guys can see what not to do. Hey. It's enough, boy. Ooh, that's exactly how I did it the last time. And the rope worked just fine, guys. So you guys have somebody to help you out with the rope. Use the rope. The rope worked pretty good. Other than once it gets there, it kind of pinches it. You gotta just relieve some of the force on it, just to see if you can release your rope. That's all you gotta do. Let's see. Oh boy. Whoa. Alrighty then. try that again. Okay, missing one spring. That's the one that when I got hurt, it just bounced. I don't know where it's at. I gotta find it. I'm gonna have to turn on that light. Yep, found it. Give me a sec. Yeah. I got my hands dirty. It's okay. I got a big one. Alright. If the rope was a little bit thinner than this, it would have been better, because it kind of gets pinched inside and you got to kind of like force it out, but I'm sure there's a way we could get it. I just got back and I gotta pretty much get all my tools out and everything else, and I just wanted to make this quick video and test out my new camera that I have not I don't know how to use yet with the tripod. So once I learn all that angle stuff and all that, it'll be better. Here we go. All right. Alright, pinch it there, and then like push it in there and let it pop in place. And there you go. They're all four in there. It'll be easier without this heat shield around, right? But you want to keep that heat shield on there, especially around my tubing and all that stuff. But where I ride at, guys, it's not illegal for the spark arrestor, at least for that I know of yet. There's no park rangers or nothing like that. So I'm gonna leave it without it. But if I do take the machine somewhere where you do need them, I could just bolt it right on. You know, it's got the bracket for it. So I'm just gonna keep it with me in the truck, and if I need it, I could just bolt it right on there. So it'll be good. So let me go ahead and bolt on the rest. I'll bring the camera down so you guys can see the rest. Oh, oops. Right there. Autofocus. There you go. I don't know what size tools I need. Okay. Takes a 13 millimeter. The flange that holds down the turbo, by the turbo guys, by the cat back, that flange, that bolt is it's an 11 millimeter, and then the heat shield has 2 of them on there, and those are 8. Those are the sizes you need for this guy. These right here, you need a back because there's a nut in the back that spins. Then you have a 13 mil. There you go, guys. Well, got it all installed. Now I'm installing the plastic. I haven't seen this plastic on it for a while because the last video I was riding this side by side with no exhaust, so I didn't have the plastics on it or exhaust. I mean, I kind of like the sound of it, so hopefully this sounds pretty good. I like that too, and we'll see. I'll try to play a video there. There you go. Overall, wasn't too bad. It's fairly easy to install. Guys, I'm starting to start a YouTube channel here, so I am gonna do a giveaway. I'm gonna do a few giveaways. The first one is gonna be one of those Evolution Powersports unbreakable belt that they have. I'm gonna do one of those, and then another one. It's gonna be the liner that goes inside of the cover here. And then after that, I'm gonna do one for. I'm gonna upgrade these guys right here. These the radius rods, and I found some pretty cool ones from this company. You guys know the name. I just can't remember the name of that company, but apparently they make like some pretty cool titanium hubs and stuff like that. They also make these pretty nice. They're nice, big, squared. You can get them in black or in chrome, like, you know. I guess yeah, it's like chrome. It's like shiny. And then with this back plate. So all in all, just the rods alone are like $800, $700 or something like that. And then with the plate and everything, comes out to like $800–900. It's a pretty good good system, but obviously I gotta get subscribers and stuff like that. So for the belt one's gonna be try to get 100 subscribers on my channel. I'm gonna give away a belt, and then, you know, work my way up. 200 will be, you know, that other one. And then for this one right here, for the radius rods, I gotta have at least 500 subscribers on my channel, and then I will give away the radius rods. I have them ordered. I will get them in, and I'll show you guys what it looked like. I'll do another video, show you what it looks like. That way you guys can see it in hand. You know, that way I could get see if I get the subscribers up. You know, I want to get my channel up there, so we'll see what happens. And then to reach 1,000, it's going to be exciting, because to reach 1,000, I'm going to be giving away a power tune kit from Evolution Powersports. I'm talking about the whole shebang, like with their box. Comes with their little box. It's like $1,000. Comes with their box. Comes with 3 stages on there. I'm going to be giving that away with the full exhaust for when I get 1,000 subscribers. So it's going to be a full exhaust, brand new full exhaust, and a tune kit at 1,000 subscribers, guys. So you start knowing, you know, put your friends on there, get subscribers on there, get views on it, and start doing some giveaways, man. And we'll see what happens. I want to do a startup here in a minute, so we can see how it sounds. It's a cold start. Oh, almost forgot to unplug my this guy here. I haven't started in 28 days. I haven't started it, so that's why it sounds a little weird, but it's a good one. A little dirty. I gotta clean it. Warm up, and then I'll give a couple revs there. You can see it back there, brand new. Hit delete with a full exhaust. I'm gonna do a stage 6. I decided, guys, I'm gonna do a stage 6 turbo upgrade on this thing. Do a stage 6. I'm thinking about a stage 7, but that one's got a lot of, I gotta pull the engine off and everything out. I mean, it's worth it at the end, right? 400 horsepower, but for what I ride at, or what I have now, is plenty of power. Obviously there's never enough power, right? That's a man's motto. You can never have enough power. But we'll see. We'll see what time. Let it warm up, and then we'll hit the rev and see what it sounds like. It is a lot quieter than what it was without the exhaust, obviously, right? Duh. especially when I'm making a run. I'm gonna go out tomorrow for a drive, guys. Same video like I did the last time. I'm gonna do another one. I used to have portals on this thing too, 6-inch portals, 37-inch BKT tires on 22-inch MSA wheels. I used to have that on there right before I did this setup on it, and it was nice. I have a lot of guys asking me about my setup. It was alright. It's just it overheated. You know, where I live at, I got a lot of sand, so before you get to the mud, like on a rainy season, obviously there's mud everywhere, but 90% of the time I'm driving around chasing the mud and I'm overheating a lot. So I decided to go with this route right here, and I sold my portals and everything. Somebody bought them, but I'm gonna post a video on it. I'm gonna edit it, just pictures obviously, with one video that I made on my phone with it, but I didn't get to enjoy it that much because, like I said, it was just, I was overheating, breaking belts because I was pushing it too hard, right? Not saying anything bad about it. It was a great system. It was unstoppable. I was pulling trailers, trucks with RVs in the back. I mean, it had a lot of power, man. But I'll post a video of it so you guys can see it. It looked pretty nice. But yeah, there it is, guys. That's how it is. But like I said earlier, guys, I'm gonna do giveaways, so make sure you guys thumbs up, you know, like the videos. If you see anything that I'm missing or anything that I need to address, you know, hit me up in the comments below, and you know, I'll address them. But I will be doing some giveaways. Let me shut it off real quick so we can get this to the dog. So like I said, guys, I'm going to be doing a giveaway. So I'm going to do a few giveaways. I'm not sure how I'm going to do them yet, but I'm going to get an extra set. This is all coming out of my pocket too. So this is so you guys can see I'm trying to get my subscriptions up. You know, more subscribers on my channel, more views and stuff like that. So we'll see how it goes. I'm going to give away the Evolution Powersport unbreakable belt with the liner. I'll probably do them both together because who's to say which one's better, right? So I think they both work great as a combo. So I'm gonna give them both away as a kit for probably like my first 200 subscribers. I'm not sure yet, so stay tuned on my channel and make sure you hit that little bell somewhere on the screen there, and you'll see what I decide to do. You know, 150, 200 subscribers, I don't know. I'm gonna play with it because I'm gonna increase my giveaway prizes as the more subscriptions I get, right? So just stay tuned to the channels, guys, and you know, I'll promise I'll make a lot of content that you guys would like to see. If you guys see any videos that you like, any videos you like for me to do, just hit me up in the comments below, and I'll see if I do them at the best of my ability, and we'll see how it goes. But the final main subscribe that I'm gonna do, you know, giveaway that I'm gonna do, sorry, is it's gonna be the Evolution Powersport full tunes kit. So it don't matter if it's Can-Am or Polaris. Obviously I'm a Can-Am guy, right? I have a Can-Am, so, but I'm gonna leave it as in, like, so I could drop ship it, you know what I mean? So whoever wins it will get it drop shipped straight from Evolution Powersports. So either you have a Polaris or a Can-Am, whichever one you have, you let me know and I will drop ship it straight to you. But that one's gonna be at 1,000 subscribers. As soon as I reach 1,000 subscribers, I'm giving away a full kit with exhaust stage. You could put a stage 1, 2, 3 on it, and then if you want, you could opt to buy the big injectors and wastegate and other stuff, and you could get another tune. It's like what I have, the 3RWI, and it's you know the difference, right? But at least you have the main set there, and you can start from there, guys. Yeah, so like I said, you know, like my video, thumbs up it, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks, guys.